Thanks for logging in to the Mr. Show right here. Once again, people, enough respect. Remember to like and subscribe so I can get up to that 1,000 category. You get what I'm saying? I'm going to speak to some expats because some expats go back to Jamaica. And also, you don't know, there's a saying that says BLOOD is thicker than water. I'm going to give you the real saying about that. Stay tuned right here. People, when there's a prank that really ruins the cut, stick around. We're going to get into that. And also, as my brethren Spraga Benz would I say, freak enough to stay overnight. So stick around. It's a Mr. Show. Canadian, Jamaican born, different perspective right here. Lock it in. You don't know. You don't know my agent. Stay around. Stick around. Don't be no clown.
Jesus Christ. This man. Bree.
Oh my God.
Yo, fuck are you? You're changing spot. You're changing spot. Yeah, man. Look here. No, Bree. When you help, no, Bree.
Yo. People. Is that thing where they hide and eat? You're not supposed to hide and eat. It's kind of against the cultural norms in Jamaica. You know, if I hide and eat, bro, if you eat a food, then whoever's with you is supposed to eat a food as well. Let's go.
Jesus Christ.
Nah, Bree. That not make it.
This man. Bree.
Oh my God.
Yo, fuck are you? You're changing spot. You're changing spot. Yeah, man. Look here. No, Bree. When you help, no, Bree.
Nah, man.
This I get from bad to worse.
Not make it,
no,
Bree.
Bree. Look here.
I get around.
Take me out of there. So what do these ladies in America think about Jamaican men?
Jamaican man, I am too easy. What? Get the speaking patois like I know it. Me want fuck. Your cocky stiff like tree roots. I'm sorry, I'm easy. I'm easy as fuck when it come to them.
Wow. Do you know what that does for Jamaican men? All Jamaican men want an American woman. That ain't no lie. Let's go.
When I get around Jamaican men, I am too easy. What? Get the speaking patois like I know it. Me want fuck. Your cocky stiff like tree roots. I'm sorry, I'm easy. I'm easy as fuck when it come to them. You feel me? Wagwan babes. Draws down. I don't know.
All right, so when you see this white lady doing every single Vybz Kartel lyrics, it's called appreciation, not imitation. You have some people, we call them culture vulture, you know. That's when they come into the industry, they just want to take the best of what we have, use it for their own purpose. Then did like a one-hit wonder. They never come back and contribute back to the industry. But you have some people that also love dancehall music and reggae music for real. And those ones, we call it more like appreciation. Appreciation.
Cocky don't for me, cocky one quickie. Make you feel up your nice city. So your wife's only cocky get stiffy. Oh, you so Mother that we don't see the ending. That woman will not see the missing. Turn round but a smile for the dicky. Me not talk in the world, dicky. My spoon sticky. Hey!
When I was born, my body was blessed by Mother Nature, honey.
And as you got older, it was cursed by Father Time.
Look at that batty wall smell that in the kitchen like somebody do it up themselves. You can't shape from batty wall food, from batty wall scent. Can you come out of that?
It's time to go.
No breakfast?
Waffle House is up the street. It's my treat.
I'm vegan.
Slutty vegan.
Excuse me? Thanks for last night.
Cars outside.
I had a great time.
Girls heal me in the street when I fuck her with them, I say. And when I'm there, I think, I say, what me know that girl from? Where me know that girl from? A fox, he reach.
Just sir?
Yeah, man, he reach.
Yeah, man.
He reach majority of man when I fuck with man. And then when I fuck with man, know. By the way, I taught them, know, say, I can't know there in my rap. Like,
Yeah.
man, then when I fuck girl, we forget.
I had to take it back a minute here from here, seeing? Because my general Sprague Ben say, oh, freak enough to stay overnight, you know. Road boy. And what's wrong with these women don't understand, say, boy, yeah, freak. I'm freak, not supposed to stay overnight.
No breakfast?
Waffle House is at the street. It's my treat.
I'm vegan.
Slutty vegan.
Excuse me? Thanks for last night.
Cars outside.
I had a great time.
Girls heal me in the street when I fuck already, I say. And when I'm there, I think, I say, what me know that girl from? Where me know that girl from? A fox, he reach.
Just sir?
Yeah, man, he reach.
Yeah, man.
He reach majority of man when I fuck with man. And then when I fuck with man, know. By the way, I taught them, know, say, I can't know there in my rap. Like, man, then when I fuck girl, we forget the girl, them when I fuck them only remember specific.
Yeah, hold on. Yo! Hey! Hold on.
Yeah.
Where you go?
Me go down town.
You gay? Tell me the truth.
Eh?
You batty man?
Well, things happen, but me not
Things happen.
stick to that.
Talk to me, man. Which
No,
man?
me not stick to that. Me not stick to that, but me
The
do
man
things.
asks him,
You batty man, yes or no? Come on.
and then I said, things happen. I'm not sure if y'all realize that in Jamaica, there's a culture. There's a culture where, no, when I play number two, big up Terra Fabulous, but when I play number two and things that are acceptable with this LG alphabetical crew things, not necessarily acceptable in Jamaica, you know. And it's a cultural difference, and everybody has the right to be how they want to be. Let's
Yeah,
go.
hold on. Yo! Hey! Hold on.
Yeah.
Where you go?
Me go down town.
You gay? Tell me the truth.
Eh?
You batty man?
Well, things happen, but me not stick to that.
Talk to me, man. Which
No,
man?
me not stick to that. Me not stick to that, but me do things.
You batty man, yes or no? Come on, man, before me give you a right. Talk to me, real.
up, yeah, man. What the boy, yeah, man?
Where you go?
Me go down town.
You gay? Tell me the truth.
Eh?
You batty man?
Well, things happen, but me not stick to that.
Talk to me, man. Which
No,
man?
me not stick to that. Me not stick to that, but me do things.
You batty man, yes or no? Come on, man.
Him said things happen. Sound the alarm on the boy there.
Before me give you a right. Talk to me real quick. Admit the fact that you have rights. You have gay rights now.
Yeah. Me do things, but me
No,
not-
bumper rascal are the things, man. You are batty man, yes or no? Straight.
No.
Just, huh?
Yeah, me do things, but me not look too foul in that. Me not
Man said me do things. What do you mean by that, bro?
look foul.
No, just tell me the honest truth.
Yeah. Me look.
Are you a fucking gay?
Yeah.
They not say you for bumper
Sound like a
rascal, tell me,
pussy,
man.
man.
So how me look now as a construction worker?
All right, so now I hear the question he's saying, how am I going to look now as a construction worker, although he's riding Uber or whatever? How am I going to look, I carry, you know, that type of person in his vehicle? His friends and his family and his community could totally ostracize him for that.
Give you a ride downtown and you're a batty blood clad, man. How me I go look? You know I go look like some...
man, you not to do nothing. You not to
Then
do
you not
nothing.
go look like some me a bat. It not go look like some me a batty, man. Talk it true.
No, man. You that's what messing up the world.
What's mashing up the world? What's mashing up the world? Dorothy, just take me to our next dimension, yeah.
Like some me a bat. It not go look like some me a batty, man. Talk it true.
No, man. You that's what messing up the world.
No, I came back home to Jamaica.
All right, hearing from the expats that used to live in America, England, Canada, and they're back home in Jamaica. Let's hear how it is life back in Jamaica. Let's go.
I'm an expat, as they call it. Why? Because I want to be a free person. So now I'm a free person. I just live off the land. I don't work for Babylon anymore. I don't work like a slave. I just get up and do what I want.
Nice.
Eat off the land, be free.
Nice.
That's my life.
Good.
Simple. Just as it is. That's how God intended it to be.
Nice. next. Come watch this.
Off the hat, let me see your hair.
Hey, y'all, come look at this. See my hair? What's up?
All right.
You're gonna fucking learn.
Take off your wig and let me see yours.
If you could just apologize.
You heard that exchange, right? Let's do that again.
Because it is. That's how God intended for be.
Off the hat, let me see your hair.
Hey, y'all, come look at this. See my hair? What's up?
All right.
You're gonna fucking learn.
Take off your wig and let me see yours.
If you could just apologize.
I heard you. Have anything to apologize for, sir.
All right. They say that accountability is like kryptonite to women. Accountability is like kryptonite to women. Is that true? Is that true? This is from a movie. I forgot what it was called, but the guy was requiring an apology. He felt like the lady cut him off, and then she's like, hear what she says. I ain't got no reason to apologize. Anyway.
We seem to have developed a fundamental inability to apologize to anyone for anything. I don't even think you really know what a bad day is. But you're gonna find out.
Apologize for, sir.
We seem to have developed a fundamental inability to apologize to anyone for anything. I don't even think you really know what a bad day is. But you're gonna find out. You're gonna fucking learn.
FAFO.
Part of Jamaica are you?
All right, Asian Jamaicans. Yo, can you see Jamaica? One of the sayings of Jamaica is out of many, we are one. Right? So this is the Asian Jamaican community. Check this out.
Matilda Kalana, Ligini.
I was born on Lady Musgrave Road, 33 Lady Musgrave Road.
For real.
What parish is that?
St. Andrew.
Trelawney.
St. Andrew, for anyone that don't know, that's where Kingston is. So everybody that goes to Kingston, Jamaica is a St. Andrew? Nope, it's St. James Parish. My bad. St.
Antonio.
Wrong information there. Yeah, it's St. James. I'm not talking about. Let's go.
Part of Jamaica are you from?
Matilda Kalana, Ligini.
I was born on Lady Musgrave Road, 33 Lady Musgrave Road.
What parish is that?
St. Andrew.
St. Andrew.
Trelawney.
Port Antonio.
Depends on where both St. Thomas and King.
Shout out to St. Thomas crew, Yalas and Morant Bay. Shout out to my family, them in a Portland still. See it?
Kingston. Same Kingston. Port Morant, St. Thomas.
Warren Bay. Where the revolution happened, right? Paul Bogle. I remember, so, we're bad,
Mad.
Kingston.
It's a chin.
I'm from Moby.
Dominicans be like.
Sickle cells common among African Americans.
I'm not black.
Oh,
I remember, so, we're
Lost.
bad,
Kingston.
I'm from Moby.
Dominicans be like.
Sickle cells common among African Americans.
I'm not black.
Let go of me, I can do it myself.
Okay.
Old in the womb, but when they born, it's fucking reset.
Okay. He has a valid question, yeah. How is it that a child is 9 months old in the womb, but when they're born, they're reset back to zero? Shouldn't the child be at least 9 months? Let's go.
Yeah, I can do it myself.
Old in the womb, but when they born, it's fucking reset.
I mean, he's not wrong. He's right? He's not wrong. He's totally not wrong. But then you start thinking about, well, when you had your first birthday, was that technically your second birthday?
Oh.
Because when you're born, that's your birthday.
Oh.
And then you celebrate your first birthday on your first birthday.
Oh. Kick it.
Wouldn't that be your second? Because you're only 3 months shy of being one when you're born. Man, I need some fucking opinions here. This one's...
Womb, but when they born, is fucking reset.
You can tell that it truly confused her.
Wrong. He's totally not wrong. But then you start thinking about, well, when you had your first birthday, was that technically your second birthday? Because when you're born, that's your birthday. And then you celebrate your first birthday on your first birthday. Wouldn't that be your second? Because you're only 3 months shy of being one when you're born. Man, I need some fucking opinions here. This one's boggling the fuck out of my mind, but he's right. He's totally fucking right. 100%. Right? And then you celebrate your first birthday on your first birthday. Wouldn't that be your second? Because you're only 3 months shy of being one when you're born. Man, I need some fucking opinions here. This one's boggling the fuck out of my mind.
Me I gotta talk truth today. I gotta bun some people chest.
Okay, what's my Jamaican lady here saying? Lady Redbone, as they would say in America.
You see, in Jamaica, we love talk about say blood thicker than water. But you don't even know the real saying at half fight you no have. You see, the original saying
is
it said.
What does it say?
The blood of a covenant is thicker than the water of the womb. So that say never mean that family come first. It simply meant that the people who chose you, the people who showed up for you, are stronger than the ones that share the same DNA with you. But them cut it short and twist it up. So enough of you stay loyal to family where mash up on your spirit.
Time to walk into a Jamaican.
All right, this one is a PSA to all the people who work in the customer service industry as a Jamaican. We've all been there. We go to a Jamaican restaurant and the girl at the front act like she's doing us a favor. We want better customer service at West Indian establishments, please.
Kick it.
And thank you.
Business excited to support our own people, only to be met with attitude and cold stares and somewhat of a normalized bad customer service. We stand there ready to spend our hard-earned money, yet we're treated like a bother, like we should be grateful just to be there. But let us walk into a foreign establishment and suddenly we're greeted with smile, respect, and our willingness to serve. And what we do? We go somewhere else and spend our money. We leave our own struggling Jamaican businesses behind because we refuse to tolerate disrespect from our own people.
True.
We love my people them bad, but deep down, we know this is not how it should be.
We could do better.
Somewhere along the way, we've lost it. Is it frustration, struggle, or hardship that made it?
Hold on. How about home teaching? How about we used to grow up and be taught at home how to act in public? But nobody's being taught at home anymore how to act, so they just act out any old bumbaclat way in public, and that's not right. Home teaching is where it begins, and that's why we have such bad customer service in our Jamaican restaurant community.
This way, let's remind our own Jamaican businesses of the standard we expect and deserve, not with anger, but with guidance. Let's demand excellence and encourage it so that our own establishments can thrive.
What's your age?
Okay, now, when you talk about a boss chick, this girl here is the epitome of it. It's actually irritating. She, as Kevin Samuels will say, go buy a cat and unalive alone.
24?
Are you single?
I'm very single, yeah.
Why do you think that is?
By choice. Yeah.
So
I just
why
don't have time for bullshit.
So what bullshit are New York men bringing to you?
Too much fucking bullshit. Broke as hell, lying ass hoes, scamming ass bitches. They don't do shit and they don't do enough.
So how do you even date in a city like this?
You don't date. You don't date.
What's enough for you to commit to a man?
If you leave me the fuck alone, listen to my orders. If I tell you to do this shit, clean the house, come home with a nice full meal already ready for me, we're not fucking.
Whoa. This girl's too much to handle. You think you can handle her? We
What's
don't
your
want to
age?
handle any woman.
I'm 24.
Are you single?
I'm very single, yeah.
Why do you think that is?
By choice. Yeah.
So
I just
why
don't have time for bullshit?
So what bullshit are New York men bringing to you?
Too much fucking bullshit. Broke as hell, lying ass hoes, scamming ass bitches. They don't do shit and they don't do enough.
So how do you even date in a city like this?
You don't date.
What's enough for you to commit to a man?
If you leave me the fuck alone, listen to my orders. If I tell you to do this shit, clean the house, come home with a nice full meal already ready for me, we're not fucking, because that's just for breeding purposes. I'm not fucking you. You know what I mean? That's good enough for me. And also some guy just stay in his lane, never ask too many questions, don't bother me, that's it.
The force will be with you.
Always.
Yo, that's it. It's not much. She's not asking for much. She wants a man slave.
But you don't think that's playing more of the man's role instead of vice versa?
Hey, it's 2025.
So
there's a little bit of everything out here these days.
How many men do you think are actually willing to be that for you?
Not a lot, which is why I'm single.
Exactly.
Because I will not, for my own standards, I will not dip down.
So do you not want to have love one day?
She don't care.
Oh, I don't care about it.
See, she don't care.
He needs some milk.
She don't care about no love business, bro.
For my own standards, I will not dip down.
So do you not want to have love one day?
Oh, I don't care about it. As long as I got money, I'm good.
Well, money doesn't bring happiness, or does it for you?
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, you could be depressed and broke, or you could be depressed with a lot of money. And then, yeah, it helps a lot.
Thanks for liking in to the Mr. Show.